How to add stickers to videos in Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add stickers to your videos in Inshot. So let's dive right in. Open up your Inshot app. So choose the video and then uh, you can see in the toolbar there is sticker option. Tap on it and then tap on sticker again. Now you'll see tons of options: emoji style stickers, animated stickers, text bubbles, GIF like motion stickers, or even downloadable packs. So you can just go through all the stickers that you want to use, and then after you find the one that you want, you can just tap on it and then just put it anywhere in the video, and you can just adjust the sticker, increase or decrease it, rotate it around, and then hit the check mark after you're done. And that's it. It's as simple as that to add sticker in your Inshot video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.